Hi, this is a tutorial for ECD carriers to learn how to complete pickup and drop-off using ECD Smart Lockers. Keep ECD Carrier app open all the time to receive delivery requests. If you close the app, we cannot detect your location nor send you requests. You will be required to access ECD Lockers in case you receive a delivery request that involves an ECD locker. You have received a delivery request in the pickup point, or the drop-off point is an ECD locker. To pick up a parcel from ECD Locker, log in on the locker's touchscreen using your credentials. You will see the order number on the screen. Make sure to check it's correct and click Open. Once the door opens, you can pick up the parcel and close the door to complete the pickup. To drop off a parcel in ECD Locker, you will also need to complete the process on the locker touchscreen and not on the app. Once you reach the locker, log in on its touchscreen using your credentials. Click on Continue to Drop Off button. You need to enter the order number and click Confirm to open the door. Place the parcel and close the door to complete the drop-off process. The order will automatically be complete, and that's how you use ECD Locker.